Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Tamara Renee. If you're new, welcome. Thanks so much for stopping by. So as you can see by the title of today's video, it is all about this unit that I'll be installing, styling, and rocking. It was sent to me from OMGHerHair. All hair details will be down in the description box below. So if you are interested, please do check it out. As always, you guys know I like to share the goodies that I received in my package, and then we're going to get right into styling. But of course, I'm sharing with you guys the construction of this unit. The lace, the hairline, the quality, absolutely love it. When I tell y'all this wig is ready to go straight out of the box, just install it and you are ready to go. That is what this unit is all about. And honestly, I'm here for it. So I am obviously going to prepare my own hair by just applying some gel on the edges because I just want my edges to be laid flat and out of the way. And then I put on a stocking cap, and then we're just gonna go right into putting on this unit. So when installing this wig, obviously I wanna make sure that it is fitting to my head and my hairline. So I did have to cut just a tad bit of the top of the hairline because it was giving like a widow's peak, only because of how my natural hairline is. And I want to make sure that the sides of the wig, the hairline sides, I want it to match up with my own hairline. I hope y'all follow and I hope that makes sense. But honestly, that's it. And then I'll be using my Ebin lace spray as always. I love this lace spray so much. It does it for me every single time. Once I do that, I'm just gonna go right into styling. So I did receive this unit straightened. So I wanna continue with that straightened look, especially when it comes to like blonde hair and especially how I'm wearing this black turtleneck. I just wanted to continue on with this sleek type of look. Now, trust me, this would have looked beautiful with some curls, but honestly, you can't go wrong with a nice bust down, you know, a middle part bust down in blonde. Beautiful. So honestly, that is it, you guys. Again, all hair details will be down in the description box below. So if you're interested, do check that out. Drop your comments below. Let's chat it up. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't done so already, and hit that little bell to be notified whenever I upload a video so you never miss a video. Follow me on Instagram at Tamara Renee, and follow me on TikTok at Tamara.Renee, and keep up with me on my blog at www.tamararenee.com. I love you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys in my next video. Bye.